Hello everyone, this is Eddie Davila with Java 1, week 3, and welcome to my demonstration of Advanced Views video. This week we were to apply Advanced Views knowledge by implementing a list view and a spinner functionality. It was a difficult week for me to understand some of the concepts discussed in the activities, but I managed to create an application that complies with most of the requirements. Some of the issues I encountered was understanding the relationship between a hash map and XML strings. I could not find a way to combine the two into one single element that could be used inside my code. What I did do is recreate the requirements of the assignment in order to populate my list view, display a second view that will contain a text view that will display the information from the data collection. After my application gets run, you can see that my code here, my data collection is the same here. In fact, I can click on the cell, which will take me to a second view that I created as a Java class called my other activity. Once the selection has been made, the second view will use a text view that will present the data from the cell selected. Let me do that. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, the first item is and will always be FIFA 14, unless I change that. The second item, Thief, Watch Dogs, Battlefield, Second Son, and Mario Brothers, which is not a PlayStation game, but anyway. I was able to link the data collection to the list view and again create a second activity that launches after a cell selection has been made. The new activity was generated by going into first my manifest in order to add that right here, my other activity. After I added the activity to the manifest, I then created the Java class, which contains code. For instance, this static final will be used to hold the data from the main activity, and the second activity will then fetch that data from here and display it to the text view. I used landscape and portrait mode, but unfortunately they did not work. My main does display a linear layout, and my landscape does display a landscape layout, but when I run the application, it does not display it in portrait mode. So I need to figure that out. Other than that, I was able to create the methods required for the list to display, make a selection inside the list view, display another view after a selection has been made, and fetch the data from that selection. Again, in order to do this, I created a second view, a second XML, and implemented code that will fetch that data from the data collection. Other than that, I just need to further investigate how to accomplish the unfinished requirements for the assignment, but for now my application meets the principal requirement, which is using list views and advanced views and display that data. That is all for now. This is Eddie Davila with Java 1, week 3, advanced views. Thanks for watching and good luck.